Home renovations can be fun and rewarding adventures. But when it comes to electrical and plumbing, the question always arises, should I do it myself or hire a professional? It's true, electricians and plumbers rank among the highest paid subcontractors out there. But let's consider a few things before you DIY. Beloved, hire a professional contractor. Electricity can be very dangerous to you, your loved ones, and your home. If you choose to do your own electrical, there is always the risk of shock, electrocution, and fires. Faulty wiring can start fires immediately or years later. There's an estimated 51,000 electrical house fires across the US each year. Similarly, DIY plumbing can also cause severe damage to your home. A plumbing job gone wrong could result in thousands of dollars of water damage, repairs. Even a small leak can leave you in a world of hurt. Ultimately, electrical and plumbing work is best left to the experts. A final note on home renovations that require electrical and plumbing work is this: do not forget your permits. Without proper permitting, selling your home post-remodel can be complicated. And in some cases, lack of permitting can ruin a sale and home value. So if you've got your sleeves rolled up and you're tackling that home renovation, be sure to do these 3 things. Get your permits, hire a licensed electrician, and find yourself a licensed plumber. Then enjoy your project all the way through completion. I'm Youssef, your local short line realtor, and this was The Walkthrough.